Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and we have bare root strawberry starts here that we're gonna plant today. One of the main things you wanna do with your strawberry start is get them wet. Get them wet right away. Let them soak for about 30 minutes and just let those roots really absorb a lot of water. So these are just dripping with water, so they're ready to separate and plant. Now this here was my garlic and my ginger and turmeric bed. I'm gonna quickly show you guys. This is all the ginger and turmeric that we harvested. So I'm gonna do a video on that separately, but that's all there. Right now, we're planting strawberries. So we're gonna separate these out one by one. We're gonna plant them, we're gonna space them out about 12 inches apart. Oh, just can't really see that one. Let me do one in the middle here. I'm not gonna show you all of them, but I'll just show you what we're doing here. Got my hori, my favorite garden tool. We're just gonna make a little hole. I'm gonna put that in the ground, and we wanna keep this bed as moist as possible. So we are gonna really water this bed really good. And then we're gonna put mulch on it. We're gonna put a straw mulch or a hay mulch over top of this, just to keep the soil super moist, all right? I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. All right, see you guys, bye.